Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. As you can see behind me, I'm at a new camp spot. So let me show you around and give you some of the details here. So I did choose like one of the first pull-offs off the main forest road. And because of that, there's a lot of traffic. Strangely enough, cars, SUVs, and trucks. But luckily, most go slow. There's not a lot of dust. And I'm okay, at least for now. Almost got stuck coming in though. It's a freshly graded road and a little dip as I enter. As you can see, that way ahead of me gets a little rough. The RV by itself might make it, but it's questionable, and it does lead back to a nice secluded area. And there's a little spot here that you would only want to park there if you're friends with me, because it is pretty close. So as you can see, I set up a little dusk to dawn lamp right there next to the cone. Got my two pop-up cones going. Trailer still hooked up with the bug, and that's going to remain that way for a day or two. Found this little tiny camp chair out in the middle of the forest. It's a little ripped. Probably won't hold my weight, but who knows, maybe Ninja will like it. Got the awning set up, the rug set up. Last night I didn't stake in the rug, and even the mild wind was blowing it, so I did stake it in today. Let's go around to some of the behind the scenes stuff. Of course, I've got my motion sensor lights on each side and then front and back. That one's the back. Can't really see the fairy lights. There we go, now you can, against the very dirty RV. With the solar battery right there. Of course, the slide out is out. As you can see by the yellow things under the tires, the driver's side was quite a bit lower, so I did lift it up here on each front and back tire to get it close to level. I've got my propane and water out and all locked up. Let's go to the front. So it was not as successful on the front. I should have had the two blocks side by side and one in the middle, and I didn't. But once I got here and I was pretty well set up and level, I'm like, okay, I'm done. Here is the solar charger for the front lights. You can see the LED string there going around my hood, underneath as well. And I did pop the hood because I'm going to be taking other people's advice, and even with LED lights and a cat that goes under there searching, there's always a chance of a little pack rat or mouse, so pop the hood and deter them a little bit more. Of course, if I come out one morning and find my battery gone, I'm going to be a little upset. That was like a little fire pit there, but what intrigued me was this guy. See that large back area? That's like, put a fire in there and that's going to blow heat right towards me. Hold on, I hear somebody making some noise. Who could this be? Who is it? Who's there? Oh, it's the star of the show. You've already been out all day. It was only 85 today. That's because we're up at about 7,700 elevation now versus like 6,800. So back where I was, it would be like 90. Today, go ahead, roll, get dirty. Get dirty. You know you want to. But today at 7,700, it was only 85. Tomorrow's supposed to be like 82, then 80, then high 70s. It's going to be pretty fantastic. Hey, this is a family show. Could we stop doing that, please? Now that mountain in the distance is either Snowbowl. Snowbowl is a ski resort, or it's Mount Humphreys, but I think Mount Humphreys is hidden behind it or to the right of it, even though Mount Humphreys is the tallest peak in Arizona and higher than Snowbowl. What are you doing now? Huh? So there was an older gentleman that went in a little pickup truck down that road. I happened to be walking and introduced myself and talking to him, and he likes camping down there where pretty much nobody else goes, and says he leaves in the morning to go into town, hang out at the library, eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and comes back out here to relax and sleep in the front of his pickup. And he's been doing that for 10 years. Well, the sun technically doesn't set for another 15 minutes, but I don't think I'll be seeing it again. You just gonna hang out here now? It's like 72 degrees. It's perfect. Ninja. Ninja. She's right over there. Anyway, I'll turn off my light and give you a nighttime quick tour of the camp. You can see that cone shines pretty good. There's a little dawn to dusk light. Other cone shiny good. Got the fairy lights up. You see the motion detector kicked on. The other motion detector over here I've got turned off. A ring alarm's gonna go off. Then we've got the LED lights around. Ninja, you want to say hi? She's literally like right over here. You'd only see her if she looked. So from Ninja and I, thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Pound it, pound it, pound it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe so I get a notification and you get notifications every time we post a video.